These are the amazing Vicks Vaporub uses. Before we start with pointing out the best Vicks Vaporub uses, I would like to ask you a simple question. Are you a big fan of the Vaporub? Well, if your answer is yes, that's a good thing. But if your answer is no, after reading this article you will be. Trust me on that. You should know that many people around the world use the Vicks Vaporub for treating many different health problems and minor ailments, such as headaches, cold, cough, congested nose, chest and throat stuffiness. But you should know that the Vicks Vaporub can do much more than those. Did you know that this useful product has been present and used for more than 100 years, and it's one of the most popular and most used over-the-counter decongestants? Yes, there are many different ways to use this product. As we said, you can use this product for many different ailments, just a congested chest. Just read the article below and get ready to be amazed. In this article we are going to show you 21 amazing Vicks Vaporub uses you haven't heard of before. Yes, just hand on and enjoy the ride. Vicks Vaporub uses, puts off mosquitoes. Did you know that this amazing product is extremely useful in keeping mosquitoes away? Well, yes, and this means one thing: if you want to keep mosquitoes away, you just have to apply a little bit of this product on your clothing and skin. You will be amazed by the results. Sinus headaches. You should also know that you can use Vicks Vaporub if you are suffering from sinus headaches. How to use this powerful ingredient to get rid of headaches immediately? It's very simple. You just have to apply Vicks Vaporub under your nose and take a deep breath. The menthol from Vicks Vaporub will help you calm your headache. You will be amazed by the results. Ease acne. You can use Vicks Vaporub as a cream to clean your skin. Here's what you need to do. You just need to apply Vicks Vaporub on your acne a few times daily. It will dry out your acne and soothe the affected area. Keep insects away. Yes, you can also use Vicks Vaporub to keep the insects away. How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to rub Vicks Vaporub on your neck, inner knees, elbows, and behind your ears. Or, if you want to keep flies away while on a picnic, just open the Vicks Vaporub bottle. Additionally, this is the best eco-friendly trick. No more bruises. You should also know that if you combine a pinch of salt in Vicks Vaporub and apply this mixture on a fresh bruise, it will help you get rid of it quickly. So, next time when you get a bruise, you should try this simple trick. Alleviate sore muscles. This is really amazing. You can alleviate sore muscles by massaging your sore muscles with Vicks Vaporub. When you are done with that, make sure you cover that area with a warm and dry towel. Lie down or lift the sore limb until the pain reduces. Note: use the simple trick 3 times every day. Moisturize your skin. Did you know that Vicks Vaporub is also very useful in moisturizing your skin as well? Well, yes, and if you have dry skin, you just have to rub Vicks Vaporub on your skin and you will be amazed by the results. Tennis elbow. You can also use Vicks Vaporub to get rid of the tennis elbow. So, if you want to get rid of the pain from tennis elbow, apply Vicks Vaporub and the menthol and camphor will help you ease the pain. Note: make sure you use Vicks Vaporub until the ache stops. Treat cracked heels. You can treat cracked heels with this powerful ingredient as well. It's very simple. You just have to apply some Vicks Vaporub on your feet and heels and then put on your socks. So, when you get up in the next morning, you need to wash your feet with warm water. Exfoliate the softened skin with pumice stone. Note: make sure you do use this method every night to keep your feet healthy and smooth. You will be amazed by the results. And I've personally tried and tested this one, and it's my favorite of all Vicks Vaporub uses. Fingernail or toenail fungus. You can use Vicks Vaporub to treat toenail fungus. It's very simple. You just have to apply Vicks Vaporub on the infected toenail or fingernail twice daily. Then, you need to put your socks on. Note: don't forget to trim your nails until you completely remove the infected part. Relieve congestion symptoms and cough. Did you know that you can use Vicks Vaporub to relieve congestion symptoms and cough? Well, yes, and it's very simple. You just have to apply Vicks on your throat and chest. You will be amazed by the results. Prevent your cat's scratching. Note, you can also use Vicks Vaporub to prevent your cat's scratching. So, if you want to stop your cat's scratching, you just have to rub some Vicks to your windows, walls, and doors. Fast healing of cuts and splinters. It's very simple, but effective trick. You just have to apply Vicks Vaporub on any splinter or cuts to increase the time of healing and prevent infection. Reek-free racehorses. Did you know that many professional racers around the world use Vicks Vaporub? They rub Vicks below the nostrils of racehorses on the race day. This prevents the horses from the fascinating stench of the female pony and keeps them focused on the race. Stretch marks. You can also use this product to get rid of stretch marks. So, if you want to decrease the visibility of the awful stretch marks, you just have to apply Vicks Vaporub on the affected area. You will see the positive result after 2 weeks of regular application. Prevent your pets peeing. If you want to avoid your pets wetting on the rug or any area of the house, you have to place an open bottle of Vicks in those areas. Eczema free. It's very simple. You just have to apply Vicks Vaporub on the affected area to ease the inflammation and itchiness of eczema. You will be amazed by the results. Relieve terrible ear pain. This is the best way to use Vicks Vaporub to relieve terrible ear pain. Just apply some Vicks Vaporub on a cotton ball and then put it in the painful ear. You will notice relief immediately. Or, you can use this method instead. Warm garlic clove in the microwave for 10 seconds and then apply some Vicks Vaporub on one of the ends of the clove and place it in your ear. Athlete's feet. You just have to use Vicks Vaporub twice daily if you want to heal athlete's feet. Remove warts. Did you know that you can use Vicks Vaporub to remove warts as well? You just have to apply Vicks twice a day and cover it with gauze and a sock. You will feel better in just a few days. Continue to do this for about 2 weeks until the wart disappears. Fat burning cream. You can use Vicks Vaporub to decrease localized fat and get the desired figure. Note, first, you should know that Vicks Vaporub isn't a magical cream. It won't make your fat disappear, but can stimulate fat burning in the problematic area, such as legs or abdomen. It can help you fight and destroy fat cells, remove cellulite and make skin tissue firm. Here's what you need to do. You just have to make a cream with Vicks Vaporub, camphor, baking soda and a little bit of alcohol. Then, you need to apply this cream on the problematic areas and cover with black plastic or a clamping strip. You can do this while you are at home, at work or before doing your exercises. Ingredients: Vicks Vaporub, camphor, baking soda, alcohol. Directions: this home remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to crush the average tablet camphor well and mix it with other ingredients until you get a paste. Then, you need to lace it in a plastic or glass container. Apply the resulted cream in the evening and make circular movements. Then, wrap the area with plastic wrap and let it sit for 30 minutes or overnight. You can use this cream while staying at home or before doing your exercises. That's it. The most amazing Vicks Vaporub uses we know so far. We'll update once we find out some more. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.